Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the next part of my Axial SCX10 II Build series. In this part we are going to put together the wheels and tires as well as mount them to the truck and also get the body all finished up. So in step 46 it's basically just putting the tires, foams, and the wheel together. They tell you to glue the wheels or the tires to the wheels in the instructions, but I did not do that yet because I will probably be getting some aftermarket foams from Crawler Innovations, and I will probably be using beadlock wheels as well, or aftermarket beadlock wheels. So for now I just put them together, not glued, unglued, just so I can, proceed with the build. For step 47, we are going to put the wheel hexes and the wheels and tires onto the truck. If you're worried about that click, don't worry. This is kind of like, it's got some torque wrench capability, so it slips on here and I'm not stripping the actual grub screw. Alright, and that concludes step 47, and we've now officially got a roller. Thanks. Next step will be to move on to the body, and we'll go from there. Alright, step 48 deals with masking and trimming the body, and I've already got that part finished. Body is all trimmed up and masked. I masked the windows as well as the wheel wells or fenders. So off camera I'll be painting this body up. Don't know what color I'll decide to go with yet, but once I get that done I will come back and continue with the build.